Today we will be discussing about one dimension linear harmonic oscillator. Now the wave equation, today we will derive wave equation for an oscillator. Now for a one dimensional harmonic oscillator, that is a particle undergoing simple harmonic oscillation in one dimension, the restoring force is proportional to displacement x from the equilibrium position. So we can say that restoring force F is equal to minus kx, where k is any positive constant. Now according to Newton's second law, we know that m into d2x upon dt square, this is equal to minus kx, where m is the mass of the oscillating particle. Or we can say that d2x upon dt square plus k upon mx, this is equal to 0. And the general solution for this equation can be written as x is equal to a sine bt plus c, where a, b and c are the constants to be determined. Now as the motion is periodic, we must have b is equal to 2 pi nu 0, where nu 0 is the frequency of oscillation of the particle under consideration. Substituting the values of b, we can say that x will be equal to a sine 2 pi nu 0 t plus c. So that d2x upon dt square will be minus 4 pi square nu 0 square x. Substituting these two values x and d2x upon dt square, we can say that k is equal to 4 pi square nu 0 square m. Now the potential energy of harmonic oscillator is given by F is equal to integral minus integral f dx. F is equal to minus kx. So this will be equal to kx dx, which is equal to half kx square plus v0, where v0 is the constant of integration. So that the potential energy of harmonic oscillator is equal to v is equal to half kx square, which is equal to 2 pi square nu 0 square mx square. Now substituting the value of v in Schrodinger equation, we can say that we have Schrodinger equation del 2 psi upon del x square plus 2m upon h cross square into e minus v psi, this is equal to 0. Where I can say that k is equal to, we have derived 4 pi square nu 0 square m. So this Schrodinger equation will become del 2 psi upon del x square plus twice under root m upon h cross square into mk upon under root h cross square into e upon under root k minus 2 under root k x square psi, this is equal to 0. Or the final equation will become 1 upon under root mk upon h cross square del 2 psi upon del x square plus twice under root m upon h cross square k minus mk upon h cross square x square psi, this is equal to 0. Now for convenience, let us substitute under root mk upon h cross square, this is equal to alpha square, and 2e m h cross square k, this is equal to lambda. So the above equation will be 1 upon alpha del 2 psi upon del x square, 1 upon alpha square, 1 upon alpha square del 2 psi upon del x square plus lambda minus alpha square x square psi, this is equal to 0. Again for convenience, let us introduce a new variable q related to x such that q is equal to alpha x, where alpha is constant given. Now del psi upon del x is equal to del psi upon del q into del q upon del x, which we can write it as alpha into del psi upon del q. Similarly, del 2 psi upon del x square, this will become alpha square into del 2 psi upon del q square. Substituting these values, we get del 2 psi upon del q square minus also plus lambda minus q square psi, this is equal to 0. So So this is the wave equation for an oscillator. Next time we will discuss the solution. Thank you.